Hey friends, North here from Rocky Mountain Technical Solutions. Recently, there have been some high profile data breaches in the news, and the latest of which is the National Public Data breach that contained 2.7 billion records, including names, phone numbers, addresses, and social security numbers. What makes this one different than the other data breaches so far in 2024? Well, this one contains social security information. A breach of your social security information can have long lasting negative impact on your identity, including increased risk of criminals opening fraudulent credit accounts in your name or filing fraudulent tax returns. So, we're going to talk about some things that you can do to protect yourself in the months ahead by taking some steps now to protect your online identity. Now, all the instructions are in an attached PDF in the descriptions on this video. So just open that PDF and you'll have links to all of the referenced solutions here. So what should you do? Well, step one, consider placing a credit freeze or locking your credit altogether with Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. This is the best way to lock down your credit so that your social security number, your identity can't be used to open new credit accounts or purchase things using credits. Now, keep in mind that when you lock your accounts, even though it locks out the bad guys, it also locks you out. So keep that in mind. If you're going to go the route of locked credit account, which we at RMTS strongly recommend you do, you are going to need to unlock your credit account if you do plan on making a purchase on credit. It's not going to affect your credit score. It's not going to affect your ability to pull your credit report. It simply locks your credit from being able to create new credit lines. So that's step number one. Step number two, if you haven't already, log on to your IRS account and request a PIN. That security PIN will prevent people from filing taxes under your identity without that PIN. So you'll want to get that IRS PIN as soon as possible. Now, keep in mind, it is for each individual IRS account. So if you file jointly, you'll need to get a PIN number for not only you, but your filing partner as well. And you'll need both PINs when you file your taxes this coming tax season in 2025. Again, that is a really powerful tool that the IRS has rolled out to prevent fraudulent tax return filings under your identity. So don't delay, get on that, do that today. So those are the two main steps that you can take to protect yourself from the National Public Data breach containing a ton of social security information on almost every adult citizen in the United States, the UK, and Canada. Now, tools to find out if you were involved in that breach, the links to freeze your credit accounts and to set up your IRS PINs. Check the descriptions of this video for the links to accomplish all of that. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Until the next time, I'm North with Rocky Mountain Technical Solutions. Take care.